The bull market is basically over. Coin prices will continue to fall. 7 more coins this week will be unlocked soon. If you have it in your hand, remember to control risks. Musk publicly calls out Taylor Swift. Hot discussion among fans. Forex platform. Musk is risking his life. When the strongest meme community DIS encountered Ethereum's forked chain ETHF, the narrative of Taiwan's public chain is it about to start. Crypto billionaires revealed. Bitcoin ETF. There will be good news in October. NFT market takes a big dive. The market collectively looks down on NFTs. Change the world with cryptocurrencies. Get our wealth code. Let's become rich together.
This is Media Blockchain. On Monday, September 25th, hi in Michael. Say hello to everyone in Ho Chi Minh City. The market is dull. The market is bearish. But you said a bear market, not a time to sow seed. So our Vietnamese channel should be sown. I meet you all. We look forward to bringing the channel's influence too, able to extend to Vietnam. This very emerging crypto market. Let us take a look at today's data. Although the market is very dull, but investment, maybe it gives everyone a little confidence. So far last week, 11 cryptocurrency startups in all fields, a total of funds were raised, is $115.05 million. It's not easy. Gaming occupies a dominant position. Of course, play to error. Gamifious economic model has profit-generating properties. It is also easy for users to participate. So in terms of financing, they relatively relaxed. The top 3 in terms of financing amount, respectively on the chain, Game Studio Proof of Play, a total of $33 million raised. Digital Asset Custody and Digital Assets Infrastructure Company Bastion, a total of $25 million was raised. And to financial customers, provide regulated digital asset company Suisse raised $14 million. So if you want to get alpha earnings for these companies, just pay attention to it. These startups, are there any coins issued? What projects did you invest in? Have these projects issued coins? If you want to participate early now, what about the investments of these companies? It is not easy at the moment, but we have to fight for it. Let this momentum also change. Okay, let's take a look at the market. Current price of Bitcoin fluctuating around $26,200. Early this morning, everyone saw a wave of exploration. It dropped to 26,000 at its lowest point. This kind of decline, in fact, in the near future, not so stirring. At 8 o'clock this morning, after the end of the week, we published member-only weekly review, trends for the coming week, made our own predictions. In general, so far, the downward pressure is relatively large. Companies say, many armies were almost crushed by the Air Force, so in the short term, to reach new highs, basically it's very difficult. If the price approaches $25,000, we think it will be in the short term, a very good time to enter the market, so everyone should invest determinedly. Don't be afraid of falling, but remember to control the position. Next, if you hold the following 7 currencies, you should be especially careful in the coming week. In the coming week, Aqua will unlock for 0.66 million coins, 0.58 of total circulating supply. Gauss will unlock 586,700 coins, accounting for 1.26% of the total circulating supply. Your guild gains to unlock 12.42 million coins, accounting for 6.71% of the total circulating supply. Singularity unlocks 9.69 million coins, 0.97% of total supply. You unlocks $153,020. Total circulating supply 0.8%. Op will unlock us $24.16 million, accounting for 3.03% of the total circulating supply. One will unlock 15,000 tokens, so it already exists now. Illiquidity conditions in the market. If these unlocked tokens float in market, so the price impact on these currencies, not a general one, so everyone take a look. Tokens like DXK, why did it fall so much? It is because of the unlocking of a large number of tokens. This is the beginning of users smashing the market, so facing the imminent unlocking of tokens, everyone must be more vigilant. Good, please like it. Let us pay attention to the encryption track. What you can't miss. 24 hours news. Not all billionaires. Everything can be put into play. After name change, and the various operations of Boss Ma. His ad revenue, down 50%, current cash flow. It's sad that it also became a negative number, so maybe to save the platform, Boss Ma came up with an unexpected savior. Who is he? American pop singer Taylor Swift. On X platform, has 94 million followers. He announced that he would republish 1989 after this album. Immediately on X, it aroused everyone's enthusiasm. So Boss Ma is under Taylor's tweet. He actually started shouting in public, so as soon as this news came out, attracted everyone's attention.
Musk's tweet asking for help aroused heated discussion among Taylor Swift fans. Everyone expressed Boss Ma needs Taylor Swift's influence to earn advertising revenue. At the same time, X platform is stuck. Music infringement controversy was also picked out by Sony Music, Warner Music etc. 17 music companies. National Music Publishers Association sued Platform X in June, infringed the copyright of nearly 1,700 musical works. Request each piece. The maximum payment is 150,000 yuan. Statutory damages, total compensation among reaches, used 250 million.
Do you want Boss Ma to be the richest man in the world? On your own platform, flirting with some big stars, isn't that a sure thing to tease? I think Boss Ma, there's no need to go to such great lengths. So many excellent investors invest in the company. All have X accounts. You might as well tease each other one by one. As the saying goes, a blind cat can still encounter a dead mouse. What's more, this blind cat, still the richest man in the world. There's always someone who takes the bait, so everyone sees. Although the companies Musk invested in, everyone has hard work with diamonds in hand. But when faced with poor company profitability, Musk's figure as the world's richest man, still very soft. Why is that? Someone can become the richest man in the world. The reason why we can't. Let's pay attention to it. Taiwanese currency circle. Rarely heard of in the Taiwan currency circle. There is a currency issuance or after the currency issuance, particularly successful projects. But Taiwan has a meme currency called this. It's also a joke. What a joke. The community just wanted to say, let us also imitate dogecoin in Taiwan. As Taiwan meme coin, send the token. Initial thoughts, also let everyone use coins to reward and give away gifts. Anyway, the value is very cheap. To create a, like Disney, a community full of joy. That is why it is called Disney. The name of the token is this. Its issuer is called Mining W. Very beginning, completely focused on the field of mining. But a joke, an idea, opened the way to issue coins. Why follow him? It's because not only there are very few currency issuance projects in Taiwan. After the token is listed, increased 20,000 times in 3 months. Are you saying scurry? This is causing trouble again recently.
This is causing trouble again recently. This has a large number of supporters and community users, and continue to spread through the power of private sector. At the same time, we have a technical team of ETFs continuously build the ecosystem for us. The advantage of merging is already have an ecology, and there are community users can be directly imported into the ecosystem, form a forward cycle.
A few days ago, DS community announcement will be merged with ETHF. ETHF stands for Ethereum Fair, founded in 2020, and opening in Q3 2020. Since the Ethereum blockchain, complete proof of stake, since the switch to consensus algorithms, it has caused a lot of attention from other crypto areas. After a successful fork, it passes for developers, providing one on its POP blockchain platform built to maintain an independent ecosystem.
Only a technical team but no community, no promotion. It is difficult for this chain to survive. If there were only meme attributes, just propaganda and hype, it proves that this road will not go far. So we hope it is possible to combine the two.
In this merge, both projects hope, able to play to their respective strengths, create a more robust, secure and decentralized web environment. Also, they also plan to release a currency swap contract, that the addresses holding ETHF and DS tokens can be staked to the new mainnet and receive new token allocations. These tokens, not only can it be traded and used on the mainnet, you can also enjoy more benefits and advantages. For example, addresses participating in currency exchange can be obtained every day. Nearly 27,397 ETHF, and distribution income of 27,397 DIS. The new mainnet will also be compatible with POW mining. The new mainnet will be POW, double mining income with liquidity mining, ETC.
We know. In fact, ETHF is Ethereum. When it is transferred to POS, the forked POW currency. So you can also say, it has the purest synergy, and is in the best interest of miners. A chain of decentralized spirit. We believe in this decentralized spirit can help us develop online, bring a very big benefit.
Of course, this project. We also met by chance in Ho Chi Minh City, suddenly met a Taiwanese team, and a guest still in the currency circle. I found out after chatting. It turns out that people started from meme coins. It's about you start now, joining the ranks of mainstream public chains. So this time, the merger of DIS and ethereum, both projects can achieve mutual success. On the first public chain track in Taiwan, I think it has great potential. At least now people have changed from meme coins, turned to a build, more secure, stable and decentralized Web3 application environment. Therefore, Taiwan is first public chain. Could it be this? We do not know. But its narrative and future, I believe there is a very good chance.
SEC files for resolution on Bitcoin ETF. 3 postponements. Bitcoin ETF wars. It is expected to be officially opened in October. Rolling Stone reports. NFTs are worthless. Do you agree with its point of view?
The market is very thin now. Many people said in the comment area, as a news channel, can you give me more benefits? Give the market a boost. Build up your confidence. Of course, we also hope it is. Post more benefits. But the current market situation, that's it. We have to stand on the facts. To report the news. Good chicken blood that everyone wants. Here it is. Everyone knows that Jew. BlackRock has submitted Bitcoin Spot ETH application. After that, many companies submitted. Grayscale and Between SAC is to win the battle. Convert to spot goods and win the lawsuit. Therefore, many institutions make optimistic predictions. ETH Spot is coming soon. Our predicted time, probably in May or June next year. That was just a few days ago. Cryptocurrency investment bank Galaxy Digital. Mike Novogratz, his CEO. It's hosted at Missouri. Predictions made at the Mainnet 2023 conference. Bitcoin Spot ETH will pass soon. When is it coming? Next month.
In speech, Michael Novogratz mentioned, Invesco has partnered with Galaxy Digital, joined forces to submit a Bitcoin Spot ETF application, and there are currently 7 or 8 reliable competitors. Submit application. He believes that these ETFs may launch on the same day. Bitcoin is an international asset. Considering this, ETF issuer sales capabilities, the rules of the game will change. Bitcoin price is bound to be pushed up. As soon as early December this year, there are Bitcoin Spot ETFs that can be traded.
We're going to get good news in October, which I don't think is consensus. And that would mean you probably have an ETF actually trading by early December. I don't think people understand how important it is. And so, Invesco, who's our partner in this, we want to win, right? But Kathy Wu wants to win, BlackRock wants to win, Fidelity wants to win. There are probably 7 or 8 credible
Bitcoin Spot ETH, indeed for the entire currency circle, especially in terms of the current market, it's a shot in the arm. It can give the entire track, south for liquidity. No problem with fresh blood. But if you want to get it from the SEC, get approval. It is not easy with gigagram here. Everyone sees. The SEC has one very powerful weapon called delayed reply. I'll ignore it now. This matter has to be postponed. First 45 days. It's been postponed. Announced on August 31. Delayed again by 7 years. For Bitcoin spot ETH application. Decision to make an award. SEC for this wisdom under. Invesco Galaxy Fidelity. Applications from VanEck and BlackRock. Latest deadline for decision. Postponed to October 17th. Backclear is set for October 19th. Bitwise is scheduled for October 16th. Will the SEC then? Decision to postpone again. I think so. How do you feel? In the comment area. Let's discuss together. Let's take a look again. The ineffective instant market. Like a bored ape. Now it is down to 23 ethereum. Suisse only has 3.9. Blue chip ETHFs have fallen like bears. Other ETHFs, doesn't that mean it is basically reset to zero? Not only is the NFT market sluggish, even then, institutional media that optimistic about NFT, it also expressed its support for NFT. Extremely disappointed. The recent mainstream American magazine Rolling Stone, just for the NFT market, expressed their own views.
Rolling Stone publishes latest report. Report counts 73,257 NFT collections. A whopping 69,795 of these have been zeroed. This represents 95% of NFTs. Worthless. And this for a bull market volume in 2021. For a $17 billion asset class. It's an epic crash. And the report stated, there are still about 23 million investors. Holding this has no practical application. Or an NFT whose value is close to zero. Rolling Stone magazine in, your NFT will eventually be worthless. The epilogue is also quite ironic. But in fact last June, Rolling Stone has collaborated with Bored Ape twice, launching exclusive Bored Ape NFT.
In fact, many times, these big media platforms, you should also think of it as a leaks with insufficient knowledge. Do you want to pay for advertising? When you are happy with your harvest, you are the trend. It's a technological revolution. When advertising fees suddenly become unavailable. When the market is slow, change your words immediately. I was the one who was deceived by Lord in the first place. My mind went astray. You are nothing. So these big media and big platforms, especially the editor-in-chief, can you take a snack while reporting? Also learn what NFT is. What is its value? Don't follow market trends. Follow others' opinions. Otherwise it will. The credibility of the media has been lost. Let us take a look at today's currency news.
Dune statistics show Ethereum gas median hitting a new low since October 22. Dropped to 8.45 GUI on September 23. The previous lowest point was 8.27 GUI on October 7, 2022. And 8.8 GUI on October 30, 2022. Unisat data display. ERC20 sats casting progress reaches 100%. The total number of castings reached 2,107,258 times. The number of holders reached 36,061. Casting begins March 9, 2023. It took 6 months in total. Official data shows liquidity staking agreement. Total number of staking users of Lido has exceeded 30 万, currently reaching 30,122. Current total value of staked tokens, approximately US $14.016 billion. Staking rewards paid, over $685 million. According to official news. Decentralized Asset Cross-Chain Network. Node Network announced its multiple links are Nest Asset Exchange has been supported. Users can use multi-chain aggregator Swapbox between the Ethereum network and BNB chain. Perform Nest cross-chain operations. According to official news, Loop Network and AI-based WebSun browser Solid GPT reach strategic cooperation. Users can use the Solid GPT browser, explore dApps recommended by intelligent AI, and participate in various DeFi and cutting-edge blockchain project.
We have a saying in the currency circle. It is called the third generation of short-term poverty. Contract ruins life. Why can't I play contracts? In previous daily newspapers, I've told you all in detail. Let us talk today. What's going on with the short-term poverty of the third generation? I haven't finished what I said here. It should be short-term frequent trading. When everyone is doing short-term trading, often encountered this situation of unlimited rise and fall. If you trade frequently every day, then every operation, you can't guarantee or have positive profits. So like boiling a frog in warm water. Ignore it. Transaction fee issue. Accumulated. I'll eat you one day. All on the short side. Profit 1. This is the risk of short-term trading. So when doing short-term operations, 90% are waiting for market opportunities. Only 10% is the actual end trade. That's it for today. All content of the program, we hope, for daily news, allows you to be acute in a bear market. In coin circle, chain circle, mining circle, there is an accumulation of news, accumulation of knowledge. One day you will have, from quantitative change to qualitative change, cognitive transformation process. I hope to survive the bear market with you. Let us slowly become rich together. See you tomorrow.